All right, y'all, what do I have here? I have another very awesome package from my friend Laurie Whitaker, who runs Hooks by Laurie Ann. Now, listen, if you want to purchase one of her hooks, I'm going to have a link for you to the place where you can get them down in the description box. I'm also going to put a link in the comments, and then I'm going to pin that comment. So check either one of those and then hit that link and head on over there. If you also want to see where I did another unboxing of one of her hooks, I'll have the link there for you as well to that video. But look, y'all know I love all things spooky, okay? I love horror movies. I love Michael Myers. I love Ghostface. She does horror-themed things, but she also does all kinds of things, okay? Just so many that she does. And a lot of times she will have like a little additional thing that you can purchase to go along with the hook. For instance, this is the Michael Myers hook that I got from her. Look at that. How cool is this? This is a size of 4.5. And this is stamped on the back. And then I also got the extra Michael Myers pin to go along with it. And then here we have my Ghostface hook. This is like one of my favorite things on earth. This is my Ghostface hook. Now on this one, you can see where the size is, well, you can't really see on camera, but it's stamped into the end, and these are sealed, okay? So the size isn't just gonna rub off. And then I got the matching Ghostface pin. Now she, in her group, she will show you what she has available, and it's a pre-order, okay? And she will tell you when she's going to start sending out invoices. Once you pay your invoice and then she makes the hooks, then she'll ship it. And I think that her shipping is pretty fast considering that these are all custom made. And she will give you a list of hooks that she has available, the brands. You tell her what brand, and then you tell her what size. I always get Clover. Clover hooks are a $10 upcharge, but they just happen to be my favorite brand. So we're going to open this up and see what's in this box. All right, we got it open. We got it open. So what do we have in here? Let us take a look-see. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Okay, thank you so very much. When you support a small business, you're supporting a dream, and you are. You know, all these small businesses out here, they work really, really hard to bring you good quality stuff that you can't find anywhere else. So please go support them. And her stuff is also unique. You're not going to find this in a craft store. Anyway, look at this sticker. And I love stickers. Y'all know I love stickers. I have them all over my laptop and all over other things, my notebooks, everything. Christmas in July. And then look at this one here. Today, I will not stress over things I can't control. And you know what? You need to remember that. Don't stress over things that you can't control. All right, so we got the packing shred here. Let's get this out of the... Oh, Lordy. Oh, Lordy. Oh, Lord. Would you look at all this stuff? Look. Okay, look. 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 My life has been exceptionally difficult, okay? And when somebody shows me a little bit of kindness like that, it goes a long way with me. It really, really does. All right, I'm sorry. I had a moment. I had a moment. Oh, would you look at this? We're going to get to the hooks here in a second. Okay, I got to look at this. I got to look at this. Y'all, I'm so in love with Ghostface. I have this fixation with Ghostface. Oh, my Lord. I'm wearing a Ghostface shirt and Ghostface pants right now, actually. Look at this little 3D printed little shelf sitter Ghostface. Would you look at it? How cool is that? He's got little wiggly legs. Oh, my gosh. This is so cool. I need to set him on something. Hold on. Okay, I got a candle over here. This candle looks like a stack of VHS tapes. And look, we're going to set him right there. He's going to sit right there. Oh, and look at these little tiny Tic Tacs. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, would you look at all this stuff that she sent me? Oh my goodness, composition book, pen. Y'all know I love pens. I love pens. And look at this. Look at this. Okay, so hold on, I'm going to get my other Ghostface pen. So this is the other Ghostface pen. I have this red one, and now look at this one. Look at this one. With like this, like rhinestone, like a rondelle type bead. Is this not cool? Oh, this is so cool. Oh, true crime junkie. I'm such a true crime junkie. This is like all I watch is like true crime all the time. Oh, this is so cool. This is so, so cool. Oh, and candy, pink lemonade, Jolly Rancher. Sucker. Oh, what is this? What is this? All right, this is a pen. Crafting all day won't solve your problems. Then again, neither will housework. And this is true. Housework ain't going to solve my problems. So I'm going to sit here and crochet, and I'm not going to do any housework today. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love this so much. I'm so thrilled with this. Listen, I've had the past 2 weeks have been really, really bad for me. So I'm very excited to get this. Y'all gonna have to excuse my happiness here, okay? But look, it's like a stitch marker with a little Ouija board on it. Oh, how cool is that? How cool is that? And look at this stitch marker. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, how cute. I love it. I love that so much. Oh my goodness. Look at all these stitch markers, man. Look at these. Like these bleeding hearts. Look at that. Are these awesome? Oh, there's more good. Oh my goodness. Look. A ghost face stitch marker. Look at that. How cool. Oh, anything with ghost face is so great. Oh, Merry Krampus. And y'all know I love the Krampus. I love the Krampus. Anything spooky year round, I love. All right, so let's get this out of the way. And let's open up these hooks. Oh, wait. Something stuck. I'm sorry. A bracelet. Look at the bracelet. I've got paint and stuff all over my hands. Y'all gotta overlook my hands today. My hands are a mess. How pretty is that? Very, very pretty. All right, so now let's open up these hooks. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's the size right there, 4.5. Look at this. Look at it. Look at all of the horror themed Christmas. Oh, there's my ghost face. There's my ghost face. And there's Kruger and Pennywise. There's Michael Myers and Jason. Okay, I am so very... Oh, look, and there's 4.5 again on the end. I'm so very happy with this. And let's take a look at this one. He's a Krampus. There's a Krampus hook. Merry Krampus. Season's beatings. He knows if you've been naughty. And this is a size J. This is another very good size. But look at this. Isn't this awesome? So look, here are the hooks. Okay, so we got those two hooks. Hello. And we got our Tic Tacs, and then this awesome pin. Look, let me zoom in a little bit. That pin, and then this pin, and then we got the ghost face pin. I'm just so excited for this. True Crime Junkie pin. And then look at this stitch marker. Gosh, all of these are just so great. They have like the bleeding heart stitch markers. And they have the Ouija board stitch marker, and my beloved ghost face. And then we have a Krampus stitch marker. And then we have candy. And then we have this really pretty bracelet. And of course, our little ghost face dude right here. Okay, so this just made my day. This has made my day. Like I said, it's been very difficult these past 2 weeks, but this has made my day. And I'm so very happy to have received this today. I needed it. I really did. But like I said, if you would, look down in the description box and also in the pinned comments. If you're watching this on Facebook or something, look down in the comments and I'll have a link for you, okay? And I'll try to tag her. Like I said, if you're watching this on Facebook, I'll try to tag her. But, yeah, there it is. So if you would, go check her out. Go join her group. Go look at all the cool stuff that she has available and start getting for Christmas. These make awesome Christmas gifts, you know? So if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.